Hello students, today we'll start with the concept of formal charge. Okay, see, formal charge. Formal charge can be calculated using this formula, that is V minus L minus half of S. Okay. So here the term V is nothing but valence electrons. Valence electrons. L is number of electrons in lone pair, and S is number of bonded electrons or shared electrons. Okay, or shared electrons. Okay, so this way we can find the formal charge on any atom in any molecule or ions. Okay, say for example, in case of ozone, O3 molecule, we need to find the formal charge on each oxygen. Okay, so here first we need to draw the Lewis structure. So Lewis structure for ozone is oxygen is here, then double bond oxygen and single bond oxygen. Here there are double bonds, so that's why there are two lone pairs, single lone pair, here plus charge. Okay. This is the formal charge. We will find this charge, okay, by using this formula. So for the time being, I am wiping this out, and this is the proper Lewis structure of ozone molecule. So here we will find the formal charge on each oxygen. So first we need to assign this is as oxygen number 1, this is oxygen number 2, and this is oxygen number 3. Okay, so say formal charge on oxygen 1, formal charge on oxygen 1. See, in our formula V is the number of valence electron, oxygen is atomic number 8, so there are 6 valence electron in oxygen. Okay, so first we will put V as a 6 for oxygen 1. Similarly, for lone pair in the form of electrons, the 1, 2, 3, 4, total 4 electrons present in the lone pair. That's why here L is 4 minus half of S. S means bonded electrons. See, there are 2 bonds. So 2 bond means how many electrons? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 electrons. That's why here 4. So cancel it. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Now it becomes 6 minus 4 minus 2. That is 6 minus 6, which is 0. So formal charge on oxygen 1 in ozone molecule structure is 0. Okay. Next we will find formal charge on oxygen 2. Okay. And similarly formal charge on oxygen 3. See, formal charge on oxygen 2. Oxygen 2. Here, in case of the second oxygen, see, this is our second oxygen. There are total 6 valence electrons, similar way, minus L. What is L? Number of electron in the lone pair. There is only one lone pair and electron is 2. So I will write 2 here minus half of S. See, there are 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 bonds. So 2 to 4 to 6. Total how many electrons? 6 electrons. Right? So 2 1 ja 3. So it will become 6 minus 2 minus 3. That is 6 minus 5, which is plus 1. Okay. So formal charge for oxygen atom 2 in this molecule structure is plus 1. Okay. Similarly, we can find the formal charge on this molecule, that is oxygen atom of the ozone molecule third. So formal charge on oxygen third, right? So here also V is same, that is 6 minus electrons in the lone pairs. There are 3 lone pairs, so 6 electrons. So I will write 6 here minus half of, only one bond is there, so 2 electrons in that bond, so I will write 2 here. So 2 cancel with 2, it becomes 6 minus 1, that is 6 minus 7, which is minus 1, right? So here the formal charge on this oxygen is minus 1. This way we can find the formal charge on all the 3 oxygen by using this formula. Similarly, for any molecule, first you need to draw the Lewis structure, assign proper lone pair bond pair, then you can assign the formal charge to each and every atom. Say for another example, I will consider the famous example of CO, that is carbon monoxide. Okay. So in case of carbon monoxide, the Lewis structure I can draw like this. This is the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide. I will explain about Lewis structure in some other video. So here, see carbon monoxide. This is the Lewis structure of carbon monoxide. Now we will assign formal charge to this carbon and formal charge to this oxygen. So formal charge on carbon is equal to, see in case of carbon, the atomic number of carbon is 6. So valence electron is 4. So I will write V as 4 and L. There are only one electron pair, so there are 2 electrons in that, minus half of, there are 3 bonds, so I will write 6, right? So 2 1s are 2 3s are, so it becomes 4 minus 2 minus 3, that is 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. So here the charge, formal charge is minus 1 in case of carbon, okay, of carbon monoxide. Similarly, for oxygen also, I can write the formal charge for oxygen. The similar way I can find formal charge on oxygen is equal to 6 electron in the valence shell. Similar way, L is, see there is only one electron pair, so 2 electrons are there, and half of, there are 3 bonds, so I will write 6 over here. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, so it becomes 6 minus 2 minus 3, that is 6 minus 5, which is plus 1. So here the formal charge on oxygen is plus 1. So this way I can find formal charge using this formula in any Lewis structure. So there is an important point to note. In case of oxygen, if there is a double bond and 2 electron pairs like this, then formal charge is always 0. Remember. Similarly, formal charge is 0. If there is single bond and there are 3 electron pairs, then formal charge is always minus 1. If there are 3 bonds and 1 electron pair, then formal charge is always plus 1. Here plus 1 I will write, here I will write minus 1, there 0. Okay. So this way I can summarize this for any structure of this formal charge concept or Lewis structure. Wherever this condition is there, I can easily write this without using this formulas. Thank you.